We researched over 30 of the best rolling pins on the market and purchased 5 of the top models to test head-to-head. We looked at the effectiveness of each pin and determined how well each product performed when faced with the stickiest of doughs, how well they maneuvered to create a perfect circle, and how versatile they are for various applications. We judged how easy it is to clean up those stickiest of doughs, how their size factors into performance, and how well they fit in the smallest of kitchen drawers. We've rolled out a solid selection of different styles and brands to help you land on the right model for your needs and budget. We spend a lot of time in the kitchen. There are numerous options for cheap best rolling pin, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best rolling pin from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Ultra Cuisine Professional French. The Ultra Cuisine Professional French pin proved to be the best overall product we tested. Its simple shape and unique material make it hard to beat. It is easily storable in any kitchen drawer as it is not excessively long or thick. And it is super easy to clean. You can even stick it in the dishwasher if you feel the need. The slight taper on either side of the pin makes it easily maneuverable, and the stainless steel surface keeps the dough from sticking excessively, especially after it's chilled in the freezer or fridge. The Ultra Cuisine Professional French pin might have a foreign aesthetic if you are looking for a product with a more traditional appearance. Number 2. Karryoung French Tapered. The Karryoung French Tapered pin outperforms other products more than twice its price and looks good doing it. This little dowel has a lovely tapered shape, making it easy to use. It is long enough to roll a pie crust, but doesn't take up too much room in a kitchen drawer. This pin is also one of the least sticky pins we tested and is aesthetically pleasing to the eye. If you're looking for something suitable for everything at a reasonable price, look no further. The Karryoung French Tapered pin is on the thinner side, making transferring pie dough somewhat challenging, but certainly not impossible. Number 3. Bamber Wood. Our favorite wooden rolling pin was the Bamber Wood pin. We believe the secret to this pin's success is in its simplicity. The Bamber pin did not outshine the rest with any single feature, but instead proved its usefulness with its versatility across the board. It is long enough to transport pie dough and thin enough not to be too cumbersome or to take up too much room in a kitchen drawer. It is beautifully made, and a quick rinse in the sink cleans it right up. This pin will work for you whether you are a frequent cookie baker or the once-in-a-blue moon tart maker. The Bamber Wood pin wasn't perfect on the stickiest pie dough we tested. Number 4. Quellance Stainless Steel Adjustable. If you need your cookies to be the same size, the Quellance Stainless Steel Adjustable pin is the pin for you. It has a great adjustable feature with which you can choose the depth of your dough. Just select the correct ring size, and bam, all your sugar cookies will be exactly as the recipe asks, 1/4 inch thick. Our favorite part about this feature is that there is virtually no chance you will roll your dough too thin and have to start over. This pin has easy to use screws with 4 different size rings that can all go in the dishwasher when you're done. It even comes with a silicone mat with measurements and conversions, so that when you're done making your perfect sugar cookies, you can just transfer your mess to the sink. This product can make the baking process fun, engaging. Number 5. Fox Run Marble. Its beautiful and unique marble barrel is what initially drew us to test the Fox Run Marble pin. It looks great in its own stand on the counter, but you wouldn't want to throw it in a drawer for fear it might crack the barrel or break the handles. Not only was the Fox Run Marble pin one of the priciest of the bunch, but it worked the worst. It advertises a self-lubricating bearing, but we found that it just wouldn't roll no matter what we were rolling out. The rod seemed to be sticking to the inside of the pin. The combination of the inability to roll and the incredibly heavy pin makes it the stickiest and least maneuverable of the ones we tested. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.